Keops, welcome back to AnCHARTica. It's nice to have you on this Friday date night with charts. And it's always
Great.
interesting to look at your latest geometry.
Yep. Thank you. It's a pleasure to be with you again today. I just want to start with a follow up from last time we chat on the S&P.
Yes.
So last week, in fact, when we had our, I think we were here.
Yeah.
Where's my the mouse? So I was expecting, to be honest, to go a little bit lower, but still we hit the support line with I was expecting to hit this week, and then we bounced back higher.
Yeah.
So it seems that there's still some steam on this leg. So I expect by next week on Monday we're gonna hit perhaps this peak point here, roughly 29.63, and then we're hitting this this big pivot line. So those lines from the Gann square, very often they match with big pivot date or big movements are happening on those dates.
Yeah.
So if we just look at the previous one here, you can see kind of matches the beginning of this leg here.
Yeah.
So perhaps here it's the beginning of perhaps a downtrend in the S&P.
Yes.
Mainly, yeah. So that's possible. So I expect like more volatility next week because we may retrace the gains that we had this week, and also we had some bad economic data today.
Yeah.
Which kind of odd because we rallied, but
Yeah.
I think everybody now understand the market are not normal, so I will leave it at this.
Yeah.
If we look at the more, let's say, long view chart, let me share my screen.
So it's starting to get nice and warm there by you?
It's kind of up and down. It's still, yeah, it's crazy. Today it was like raining snow, but it alternated when it was touching ground, so it's still below the average temperature right now. We should be higher than that.
I just love South African weather because we're in winter, but it's still much better than you in your summertime.
Yeah, I think by 200%. Okay, perfect, great. So we're still in the same candle as last time because this one will end at the end of the month. So the new one is June 1st. Yeah, June 1st is the new candle. So we're still doing our the elevator ride. We're going up and down this candle.
Yeah.
I don't expect this to go much higher than the previous high.
Mm-hmm.
So it will make sense to go down next week, perhaps more around 28.71, something like this.
Yeah.
And then we'll see from there. So right now it's S&P is trading in a very tight range.
Yes.
Is it good, bad? We have to wait. So, but I'm still under the impression that it is a huge, giant dead cat bonds in the process right now. So, that's still my view at the moment.
Yeah, it looks like a dead cat bounce. That's from the previous low.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And if I just do a quick.
I love these ellipses though. It's quite nice.
Yeah, these one, yeah. They're derived from Gann square geometry.
Yeah.
I put, and so far they've been very accurate and amazing on how they are reliable. But here you can see that it retraces above this 50% line. So
Yes.
usually it's more bullish than bearish.
Yeah.
But the move was so violent and so much volatility, then it doesn't mean that it will not retrace down. So yeah, we'll have to wait.
Yeah, well, Gann says when it actually bounces on the 50%, it's still strong, eh? Yeah, so yeah, I don't think it's so bad if I look at your circles, but depends on how you look at it.
Yeah, exactly. All right, so yeah, today, yeah, that was my update for this week on S&P.